Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can go ahead and be friends. Because you know, 2018, we making new friends. We making moves and we making new friends. Go ahead and hit the bell notification button too so you don't miss any more videos. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be filming my go-to makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. So right now I'm taking my primer from Fenty Beauty and I'm priming my face. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girls color corrector in the color orange and conceal my dark marks. Oh, this pimple on my forehead got me so tight right now. Like, I usually don't get pimples. This pimple on my forehead got me so tight. I'm just using a small stippling brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics to blend in the color corrector. So now I'm using my favorite foundation from Fenty Beauty in the color 390. So now I'm using LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Almond to highlight. I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender to blend it all in together. To contour, I'm going to use one of Fenty Beauty's Match Sticks in the color Truffle. Now I'm just baking with my translucent powder from Airspun. Now I'm taking Maybelline's Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. Now I'm gonna put on the Ardell lashes. I think these are Wispies, but I'm not quite sure, so I will link them down in the description box below. So if you guys aren't too confident in putting on eyelashes, I do have a beginner-friendly eyelash tutorial, so I will also link that down below. Now I'm just wiping away all my excess setting powder. So now I'm going to use my Sephora brand bronzing powder in the color Canary Islands to set my contour. I'm going to use this highlighter. It's from Milani, Tantastic Face and Body Baked Bronzer. So I broke the lid of this, so right now I have it like taped up. But it's so pretty. Like, how do I even do this most of the time? It's like completely broken, but look how pretty that is. Like, and it's a drugstore highlight, so I got it at Dwayne Reed. So it's probably, it was a little pricey for drugstore, I guess. It was like 14 bucks for it, but it's super pretty. Oh, yes. This is, I deserve this because I'm a good person. Everybody's always asking, you put that on your nose? Yes. You put that under your eyebrows? Yes. And the inside of my tear ducts. Like, I need to shine. I need to shine bright, like a diamond. Real bright. Y'all, I forgot to set my face, and like I usually set my face before I put on the highlight because I like the highlight to be extra. So we don't see how this is gonna work out today, but usually I set before I put on my highlight. "2018, don't talk to me if your lips is chapped." Don't. So I'm lining my lips with MAC's lip liner in the color Chestnut. Now I'm using MAC's lipstick in the color Brave. To top it off, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Glossbomb in the color Fenty Glow. Now I'm using Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you didn't get the chance to already. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Later. Love you. Mwah.